Hi all, good day. Let's start the next topic of a solid state chapter, that is classification of crystalline solids. The crystalline solids are classified into four types, that is ionic solid, then covalent solid, then molecular solid and metallic solids. Let's see what is the ionic solid. Ionic solids, in which the ionic crystals have the following characteristic. Let's see the characteristics of ionic solids. The first characteristics: the constituent particles of ionic crystals are charged ions, that is cations and anions. मतलब जो constituent particles हो गए ionic crystals के, that will be what? That will be charged ions. That is like as a cations and anions. Cations is what? Positively charged ions, and anions is what? Negatively charged ions. Then second, each ion of a given sign of charge is bonded to ions of opposite charge around it by Coulomb force. Means here the ions which are bonded together having a opposite charge by the Coulomb force. यहाँ पे oppositely charged ions क्या होंगे? Bonding में होंगे due to this Coulomb force. In other words, we can say the particles of ionic crystals are held by electrostatic force of attraction between the oppositely charged ions. Means here जो आयनिक क्रिस्टल के पार्टिकल्स होंगे उसमें जो ऑपोजिटली चार्ज आयंस है वो हेल्ड किए होंगे बाय द इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन से. दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस. अभी ऑपोजिटली चार्ज आयंस मीन्स व्हाट? कैटायंस एंड एनायंस. पॉजिटिवली चार्ज आयंस दैट इज कैटायंस, नेगेटिवली चार्ज आयंस दैट इज एनायंस. यू कैन सी इन दिस फिगर the positively charged ions and negatively charged ions are bonded together with each other due to the electrostatic force of attraction. That is nothing but the Coulomb force. That is about the ionic crystals. Now the ionic crystals are hard and brittle. मतलब जो ionic solids होंगे वो कैसे होंगे? This can be hard or brittle. Fourth characteristic क्या है ionic solids का? Ionic solids have high melting point. Ionic solids have high melting point. Then fifth characteristic of ionic solids: ionic solids are bad conductor of electricity. Ionic solids जो होंगे वो कैसे होंगे? These are non-conductors or poor conductors or bad conductors of electricity. However, they are good conductors when melted or dissolved in water. Okay. But जब हम उनको वाटर में डिजोल्व करेंगे तो दे बिकम्स अ गुड कंडक्टर. वाई? क्योंकि फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हमने यहाँ पे NaCl लिया, ओके, NaCl को अगर हम डिजोल्व करते वाटर के साथ तो इट गिव्स N+ and Cl- आयन. राइट? मीन्स इट गिव्स व्हाट? फ्री आयंस. यहाँ पे आपको फ्री आयंस मिल रहे. तो फ्री आयंस व्हाट? फ्री आयंस जो होते हैं, जितने ज़्यादा फ्री आयंस होंगे उतने उसकी कंडक्टिविटी इंप्रूव होंगी. ओके. इफ द नंबर ऑफ फ्री आयंस इंक्रीजेस द कंडक्टिविटी इंक्रीजेस. राइट? इफ द टेम्परेचर इंक्रीजेस the conductivity increases because the number of free ions increases. Right? So that the ionic solids are bad conductor of electricity, but however they are good conductors when they are melted or dissolved in a water, because they forms maximum number of free ions, so that they becomes good conductor of electricity. Now what are the examples of ionic solids and ionic crystals? The first example is NaCl, second is K2SO4, CaF2 and KCl. These are the examples of ionic solids and ionic crystals. Then next type of the crystalline solids, that is a covalent solids. Let's see what are the characteristics of covalent solid. The first characteristic, the non-metallic solids are having a covalent bond. Non-metallic solid particles have a covalent bond. Covalent bond, this bond is formed by the sharing of electrons. This bond formed by the sharing of electrons. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की शेयरिंग से एक कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड फॉर्म होता है. ओके, देन सेकंड, the covalent solids are very hard. Then third, the covalent solids are incompressible. Covalent solids are incompressible. Right? Means the covalent solids are very hard and covalent solids are incompressible in all the materials. In all the materials, जितने भी materials होंगे सब में ये कोवैलेंट सॉलिड जो होगी वो कैसे होंगे? इनकॉम्प्रेसिबल एंड हार्डेस्ट होंगे. ठीक है. Then fourth characteristics of covalent solids, the covalent solids have high melting point. The covalent solids have high melting point. The melting point of covalent solids कैसा होगा फिर? That will be high. Then fifth, the covalent solids have high boiling point. Boiling point भी उनका कैसा होगा? That have high boiling points. Melting and boiling points will be high. मतलब मेल्टिंग पॉइंट टेम्परेचर और बॉइलिंग पॉइंट टेम्परेचर कोवैलेंट सॉलिड का कैसा होगा? हाई होगा. Then sixth characteristics of the covalent solids, these are, the covalent solids are poor conductor of electricity. The covalent solids are poor conductor of electricity. The covalent solids are poor conductor of electricity होंगे because there will not be no free ions will be there, right? No free ions are available there, right? So that they are poor conductor of electricity, right? Then examples of covalent solids. Example of covalent solids. The first example, that is diamond. And second example is graphite. Okay, here जो डायमंड होगा that is a bad conductor of electricity होगा. Bad conductor of electricity because bad conductor of electricity क्योंकि इसमें जो होंगे no there will be no free ions. ओके क्योंकि डायमंड इज द polymorphous form of what? Carbon. So there will not be any free ions with respect to that carbons. Okay, because it has a tetrahedral structure. Tetrahedral structure की वजह से वहाँ पे no free ions will be there. Right. Then second example is graphite. Second example is graphite. Graphite is good conductor of electricity. Graphite एक्सेप्ट ऐसा सॉलिड है कि विच इज अ गुड कंडक्टर, कोवैलेंट सॉलिड है विच इज अ गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. Okay, because it gives, there is a availability of free ions. इसलिए ग्राफाइट इज अ गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. ग्राफाइट क्या है? गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है. ग्राफाइट जो होता है ना, इट इज वेरी सॉफ्ट मटेरियल होता है. ग्राफाइट कैसा होता है? दैट इज अ सॉफ्ट मटेरियल. द ग्राफाइट हैव सॉफ्ट मटेरियल. So this is about the example of covalent solids. Then another examples of covalent solids are quarters, that is SiO2. Then another example of covalent solid, that is boron nitride. And next example, that is carborandum, are the examples of covalent solids. What are the examples of covalent solid now? Diamond, which is a bad conductor of electricity. Graphite, good conductor of electricity and it has a soft material. Then quartz, SiO2, then boron nitride and carborandum. These are the examples of covalent solids.